Me full of gun pon the Gaza.
Frightened so easy.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. The war on the 6 intensifies with the killing of yet another member by the name of Father 6. Viewers and subscribers, the gang who is allegedly responsible for all these attacks on the 6, them a take turns on social media and laugh and a celebrate about everything we are going right now. Viewers and subscribers, Kman 6, the one where everybody have to say he is marked for death, the one where everybody make after 2 attempts already made on his life and it was unsuccessful. That same Kman 6, we see which part him a pin him location every minute and make the people them know say yes some of them running now. Viewers and subscribers, is Kman 6 baiting them because he want to go down in the dirt so bad, or it's a case where he must set a trap so that them can run in and him get them right where he want them? Young brother, another big bad artist from Trinidad who is not involved in the foolishness we are going right now. He is concerned about the state of his country. He is concerned about what going on, and right now it look like say would leave Trinidad for good if him get the chance. Beenie man, we see which part him get engaged to him long-time girlfriend Camille. Viewers and subscribers, we have all of this and much more to speak about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. And also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when you reach this far. So please may I ask you give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, the self-proclaimed king of dancehall, Beenie man, we see which part him engage him long-time girlfriend Camille. Now, things like this are gonna sparks a lot of things, a lot of comments. People are going to have good for say, people are going to have bad for say. But viewers and subscribers, nothing no be it love. Regardless of if Beenie man married all 1 million times already, regardless of if Beenie man go through 1 million relationship that the public know about, nothing is wrong with him taking this step. 2024, the first week of January not even done, he might make the world know say at that party I'm depend for my future. The man have to say to himself, you understand what I say, no man should live alone, no man should stay alone, and at the end of the day is a female him engaged to. So viewers and subscribers, me love Wagwan. Tell me down below your thoughts on Beenie man getting engaged to his girlfriend Camille. We are move right along. So viewers and subscribers, a bag of things are going with the 6 camp based in Trinidad. Yes, what may I say? Not the one based in Jamaica, not the one based in America, but the one based in Trinidad. And as what me said in previous reports, this 6 camp, I don't know what wrong with them, but any and everywhere them they are go, I just pure them things, follow them. I don't know why, yes what me I say. But as what me I say now, a bag of things are going. We switch part this brother by the name of Kman 6. The second assassination attempt was made on his life about a week ago. 3 of him friend from the 6 camp get brushed. He was the sole survivor. Yes, what me I say. And this it not just start now. Yes, what me I say. A whole heap of 6 members was the drop out from Jamaica to America to Trinidad. Yes, what me I say. But based on my understanding, the real war start when Rebel 6 drop out. Yes, what me I say. It's been a minute now since him drop out, but right now we switch part it has step up and the 6 them a drop like fly. Yes, what me as the viewers and subscribers. And meanwhile, the 6 them a drop like fly. The main target, the one where everybody say mark for the same one me tell you say a second assassination attempt was made on his life a week ago. Him been a post, you see what I say, and not just him, all of the members from the 6 camp based in Trinidad, them a post one bag of thing, you see what I say. Kman 6, we switch part him go up on live and him basically show them him location. Him basically show them which part him there. Him a tell them say him nah hide. If them want him, them know if you fight him. Now viewers and subscribers, my question to you, is this a smart move by Kman 6? Now my opinion on him doing this is because him knows which part him there, a theme black. Him govern this so. No enemy can run in upon him there so and win. That is the reason why him a show everybody which part him there. Him basically a set a trap for the enemy. And we all know, based on everything we are going, words in the street are that members from the 7th crew are responsible for all of the attacks. You see what me I say? So me just feel like say, him a do this for draw them out. But meanwhile, him a do all of them there, I share him location, and I said this and I said that. A member from his camp by the name of Father 6. Now, what if people say, oh, he is not 6 anymore or he wasn't part of the 6, but my information tell me, my source tell me, say, he was a member of the 6. Father 6, we switch part them, take him out, brawling, and that is one more body allegedly going on the bullet, going on the machine of the 7s, while one more body for the 6 going under the dirt. Viewers and subscribers, the war get ugly. And when I say get ugly, it get ugly to the point where this artist by the name of Young Brother, a Trinidadian artist, yo, the man on live and yo, the man I say, yo, it's like just as what I've been saying. The police don't care, the government don't care, them not doing anything to quell the war we are going between the two factions. Remember, you know, a 2 music group, this, you know. That's what I say. I know the first we see music group I go up against music group. This thing, yo, up until now, this thing been happening. It's not the first and it will never be the last. So I don't know why they might take it so violent. Why they might take it to a crime level. You see what me as a viewers and subscriber, it don't look good. But I have this member by the name of 2 Guns who is a singer, is an artist, and is a part of the 7 gang. This is what you have to post.
So boy George feel about this?
Boy George dead and buried.
Why they run things now?
Seems like no bumbo clock, but they never want him. Brawling with dogs, brawling.
As well, Mr. Viewers and subscribers, the alleged enemies of the 6 who are the 7s, yo, we see which part them are celebrate, while the 6 also, while mourning, we see which part them are send whole heap of threat, them are post this, them are post that. Yo, me I tell you, them just a go back and forth, and me I look on it and me I say, yo, them people here I take this thing for a joke. Them don't understand the magnitude of this thing. Them don't understand the seriousness of this thing. Father 6, J-Man, them can tell you, well, they are dead. But they are the only one who know the seriousness of this. Them man here play with them life like it is a game. Total madness. And you see the thing where them forget, the thing where them not understand. Unlike the games where you can maybe wait a little while or you can spend money and refuel your life, buy it whole life or whatever. In this game called life, the real reality where we are living, you see once them out you, out. You see what me as viewers and subscribers. But apparently these 2 gangs, them don't care. Both of them a laugh after they wonder. Both of them a celebrate the loss of them wonder. Both of them a go hard and a attack them wonder. And the government, the police force, nobody doing anything to quell what go on. Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you, it already ugly. I don't think it can get any uglier. All me can say, Trinidad, stay safe. You see what me I say? The people them stay safe and sound, because yo, me don't know how far this can go. But as we see, Kman 6 them done a plan reprisal. We see them post it on them status reprisal, retaliation. Yo, everything already are going. And you don't know, we are stay tuned, we are stay on top of this. And as soon as we get more information, you don't know what's going on. Right, so we are forward and bring it to you. And if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe now. If you don't like the video as yet, like the video now. If you want to know more about what really are going on, the backstory and more information before all of this, just check out the last 2 videos I post. You see me as viewers and subscribers. And also follow me on Instagram at Line TV. It already in the description. And just go type in it over on Instagram and you see what go on. Bless up.
Kill them all and done. Kill them all and done. Tall rifle all and done. Boy life a done.